Okay girls, so now we're going to get into hip drops with a rond de jambe, and we're going to also introduce counting music and a new movement called the 4-point hip drop. We're going to kind of work all of this together. Let's get started. Facing on a slight diagonal, knees are bent, 1 foot up and 1.5, tuck the pelvis, lift the chest, roll the shoulders back, arms in second position. Now I want you to imagine you're wearing a mermaid skirt, so your knee is tucked in. Do not open that knee. Keep that knee tucked in. I want you to give me a basic hip drop. Give me 1 and 2. Good. So we also remember hip drops from B1. Now we're going to advance with these a little bit. Good. And 5 and 6 and 7 and release. We're going to add a rond de jambe to transition from one side to the other. I would like to see 7 hip drops and 1 rond de jambe. Try it with me slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rond de jambe. Again, 1, 2, good. 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, rond de jambe. Again, it's 1 and 2. Good. 3 and 4. Getting ready. 5, 6, 7. Draw the circle. And 1, 2. Good. 3, 4. Here's 5 and 6 and 7. Let's go a little faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Break. Excellent. Now we're going to get a little fancier with this. We are going to add the hip drop with the kick. Let's try it slow. Give me drop, kick, drop, kick. Here's 5, 6, 7, rond de jambe. Other side. Drop and kick. Good. Drop and kick. Here's 5, 6, 7, rond de jambe. Again, it's 1 and 2. 3, try it with me. 4, 5, 6, drop. 7, rond de jambe. Again, 1 and 2. Good. Drop, release. And 5 and 6 and 7. Let's try it faster. And drop, kick, 5, 6, 7. And drop, kick, 5, 6, 7. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Excellent. So you may notice we've been counting in 8s. This is a concept that we use in dance to not only structure our dance, but also to follow the beat of the music and to memorize certain combinations. For now, we're doing 7 hip drops and 1 rond de jambe. So I want you to try that with me, and I want you to count out loud. Let's try it. 5 and 6. Give me the basic hip drop, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add a kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Excellent. So we'll continue this counting pattern throughout this and all of our other programs. Practice counting as you perform the movement, as it will help you piece the movement together with the music, and you will understand and be able to create your own combinations and practice your own combinations as well. Let's keep going now. Rib cage lifted in our posture, out in second position. We're going to introduce a new movement called the 4-point hip drop. Before we do that, let's review those crescents from beginner 1. Let's start with a twist of the hip. In and out. You'll remember this one. Good. Now add the hip drop. It's front, it's back. Good. So you remember this crescent. We call this a forward and back crescent. Excellent. Front and back. Last time. and release. Now we're going to add on the crescent in and out. So I want you again in your position. I want you to slide your hip in and slide your hip out. Let's try that again. Slide your hip in and slide your hip out. Now add a hip drop. Lift, drop, lift, drop. So it would be inside the shoulder, outside. It's in and reach. Good. It's very similar to a Maya. Good. In and out. Last 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Excellent. So we have those two crescents, our forward and back and our in and out. We're going to put these two crescents together to create the new move called the 4-point hip drop. I want you to think of a circle around your hip, okay, with a clock. We would have 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. I want you to hit each of those points with a hip drop. Let's try it slow. 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Again, so it would be crescent forward, crescent out, crescent back, crescent in. Let's go a little faster. Out, 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 bring it in. It's 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6. Good. Now think of those numbers and try to hit those numbers with your hip drop. It doesn't have to be exact, but challenge yourself to push your hip out, opening up the hip and giving you more flexibility and room to dance. Good. Again, give me 9, 12. Let's try it a little faster. Here we go. 9, 12, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-point hip drop. 5, 6, 7, break. Notice when the music gets faster or when we speed up, the movements become smaller. That doesn't mean they get sloppy. They become smaller and tighter, okay? Let's do a rond de jambe and try this on the other side. Tucking in, lifting up, rolling. Give me that crescent, forward and back. Good, let's review it now. A little faster on the left side here. Good. Now the crescent in and out. Let's try it. Inside and outside. So you know these two from beginner 1. We're now applying them and creating a new move, the 4-point hip drop. Last time, and release. Again, you're going to imagine a circle or a clock. Now the numbers have changed. We have 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 6. Let's try to hit those 4 corners. Give me 3, 12, 9, and 6. Think about those crescents and reach those hips to hit those points. Good. 3, 12, 9, 6. 3, 12, 9. One more time. 4-point hip drop. 1, 2, 3. Let's speed it up. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Reach it. Reach it. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Break. Good. Take a deep breath. We're now going to put this together, okay? On a diagonal, 1.5, bent, tucked, lifted and rolled, mermaid skirt so the knee is in, and arms in second position. Our combination will now be the 4-point hip drop, followed by 3 basic hip drops and 1 rond de jambe for an 8-count combo. Let's try it slow. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic 5, 6, 7, rond de jambe. Other side. 4-point hip drop. Basic, basic, basic. Again, slow. Give me 4-point hip drop. Good. Basic, 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 rond de jambe. One more time, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5, 6, 7. Let's speed it up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 2 more times. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Good. Take a deep breath up exhale, very nice. So that completes the 4-point hip drop, the combinations with the rondation, and counting of music. I want you to continue counting as we continue with our other combinations in this and other programs. Very good. We'll see you in a moment.